Hello and welcome back. Today I'm playing some Hurricane with, to me, a new pilot, namely Norma. I got her a couple of days ago, and yeah, let's see how we'll be doing today. If the sound quality is a bit off today, that's because I'm outside, so I hope you can forgive me. Let's see. There's a crate right there. Oh, already people nearby. Okay. Starting off with a sniper rifle. Let's see if we can get some more stuff going. Yep, a bit of armor, some exploding bots, and in my opinion, the most important module for Hurricane, the heat tracking. So yeah, let's yeah, oh, that was already good. Sneak attack, could say. Ooh. Okay, ooh, that was close. Let's get into cover because I have like 8 HP. Actually, let's not waste that and just stay here. Reload and regen naturally. There we go. I had a nice headshot there, but and was lucky that my opponent there had to reload. And back to cover. We'll get the loot later. That's not. I notice that when I get greedy with the loot, I die way easier. In contrast to just making sure the coast is clear and then going in prepared. Reloaded and healed up and everything. Making sure. Ooh. Someone is there. Let's dodge out of the way. Okay, that was pretty good. Again, let's actually take some cover in here. See, more people there, so and we're really low on resources, so better to heal up carefully and kill them when they don't expect it. Like that, and like that. Okay, these vans are quite useful, I gotta say. There's no shooting going on right now. Ooh, and there's a skateboard. Let's hop on and see what we can loot here. Pretty good so far. Would love like an upgrade for my explosive weapon. So let's just continue the hunt and see what we can find. Okay, that was pretty good. Fire wizard or wizard actually. Oh. Okay, box of noodles. A box of noodles. That's a cute name. Yeah, so that is better, and I also like the homing missile better, especially later on. Right now it's still okay. Early game, the exploding bots are good for sneaky kills, but later on, as I maybe said before, it's a bit easy to avoid, especially if you're playing skilled players. We're playing Super League 1 here, and I gotta say, I am encountering some skilled players, so better not underestimate them. Let's get through here and loot this little box here, and it looks like Hurricane is ready. So let's see what we can do here. Got some repairing items, yeah. So yeah, let's also stay close to the wall first and take a quick peek. Okay, so the marine, probably the marine or the okay, Lolo 25. Nice traitor, and yeah, I will take that one for that and exchange the iron cannon. Got a nice Christmas Christmas skin of it. So yeah, so this jump, dash, hover, dash, hover, dash, hover. Apparently that's like a faster way of travel. Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay. That's pretty nice. And there's still you. Okay. Dash, hover. Okay. Drop down when they use their abilities. And again. Okay, second kill. Let's see if we can chase the pilot this time. Right there, huh? Okay, that's the pilot down. Reload and get out of this zone. What I also like about this hovering trick is that you can scan the area a little bit better than when you're just spamming the flight button, because it goes so fast. You can more control over your camera also, and therefore more control over where you aim. So let's keep practicing that. Oh, there's a lot of people. So let's see what we can do here. I hear shooting there. Okay, that was just a firepower display a firepower difference there. And yeah, that's pretty good. Someone is shooting me right there. Okay, dagger Moritz. Let's stay in the zone a little bit, heal up, get our shield back. There's someone. Let's go for the hunt. See what we can do here. Yeah, the moment they use the skill, drop. Yeah. So, okay. Heal up. And I can't really reload. Okay. And let's see what you got here. Okay. Didn't spot anyone there. Still half of the competition remains. Let's get some of this extended repair kit going. Let's see how far we get here. So far we're doing pretty decent. 12 kills, 4 Mecha destroyed, not bad. Not bad. Let's see if we can kind of stay ahead Oh, there's someone. Those were all misses. Okay, Brett. Thanks for the armor. And the other loot. Oh, that's actually... Huh. So you can use more momentum actually. With, okay. Well, still practicing the mobility of this. Oh, hello. Okay, Harry. Casual swim over there. I don't think... I mean, the weather looks beautiful for a casual swim. I'm not sure you should do that with Mecha there by... Ooh, someone tried to kill me there, huh? I always start... Yeah, wow. We even got a hit in on the pilot there. So let's see where you're going. But yeah, Hurricane can fucking melt. It's beautiful. I thought they dropped somewhere there, but you know what? Let's take a quick look. Quick scan. Just some loot for later. Nah, never mind. It's not worth it for now. Oh, we're already almost in the top 10. Okay. Yeah, there we are. So let's make sure we are fully healed up and are ready for the final jewels. Yeah, let's actually use that as well. Get a better position. Oh, something is dropping there. Might be useful for later. Can we... Where's everyone fighting? Let's quickly take it down. See if we can give ourselves a little bit of advantage towards the end. Yeah. Okay, I prefer core 1, but having a core is better than having no core. Where? Where? Oh, right here. Okay, fuck. Ooh, that was a close one. Let's get some cover here. Get the big one in. Hopefully we can make sure that nobody... Yeah, good. We did it. Let's keep this one on. The primary weapon can aim at enemy mecha, but I'm a bit confused about that one because I feel like we can always do that, right? Also without the core module. So I'm a little bit confused about what core 2 on this mecha actually does. So if someone knows, please let me know in the comments, and then you help me learn something, which in general is amazing. Yeah, all 3 not great. I took the first one. So 4 more contesters, huh? Okay, Mr. 7D, who were you fighting? Uh-huh. Caramel over there. Mm-hmm. Ooh, nice dodge. Okay. That was pretty good. Where are you going? Over there, okay. Mm-hmm. Someone in my back also. Ooh, this is an exciting match, I gotta say. Ah, that pilot flew over here, but kind of lost track. Oh, you just died from the zone, huh? Okay. Well, in that case, I will just continue. So, let's see what we got here. Only one opponent. Uh, yeah, I would prefer the core one. So where is this final opponent that I've been hearing so much about? Let's see. Oh, no Mecha anymore. Alright, I think that was a pretty decent practice right there. Thank you so much for joining me in this process. And yeah, this is a great mecha, and I'm glad I saw many inspiring videos on YouTube to how to actually fly it, because it's not really that straightforward, as straightforward as you might think. Um, yeah, pretty good game actually. 16 kills, 7 destroyed, not bad. Let's see how many points we got for our rank. Come on, phone, almost there. Okay, plus 10, yeah, so this is the area where it goes super slow. So, yeah, thank you so much for joining me and have a wonderful day. Bye.